What to do? You press the button on top, right?
It's already going.
Oh, there you go.
Someone could like fall right there.
Yeah, try.
Yeah, don't go too close.
You can get.
Run in. That's close enough, Briar. More than you have. Okay, we can't go any closer, Brian.
Oh, sorry guys.
Eddie can't. Eddie's not letting you. Now if there's somebody in there.
Pate.
That almost as many rolls as you.
The blue ribbon tastes like a big Kit Kat. And then the Rocky, that one tastes like a Twix. And that's Iron Brew, obviously. So that's all you eat. Drink, that's a drink. Bacon chips that even look like bacon. And a cup of tea.
Are you recording this?
Yes. No,
Show
it's...
them your rolls, Briar.
Oh, and my rolls. So we're at where my mom used to live in Scotland. Yeah. And we're just at her neighbor's house, her old neighbor's house, and we went inside and everything. And Brendan's climbing around for some reason. It's wet, so he's probably gonna fall. Yeah, that way I can video and you fall and then get a clickbait. Yeah, that way. Yeah, Belle, stand right there and he'll jump over you. Stand right where his feet are. Go.
Try and get you in the air. When are you gonna jump?
3. Mom, watch. 3, 2, 1.
Belle, I meant to stand up.
I never in the
It's even noticed to the right is
It's even spelled. Are we going to the ice cream shop?
Yeah. You want to? Yeah. Yeah. If they're going, then.
I would love ice cream.
I'll buy one.
Made it to South Hampton, England. On my private jet. The elevation is quite high.
It's a lift, not an elevator.
Elevation.
Okay. Liftation.
You go running?
How do I go?
Let's get out
Go
of
to the right of
here.
Alright, don't run over anybody's toes. Stop it.
No one's happening.
Get out.
Oh.
Another day, another train. Trying to get a taxi though. Another hotel. We're in South Hampton. And the cruise port's just like over there. So, nice and close. Stop. Oh, that almost fell off. Wasn't tight. But, yeah. It's like 11:30. I don't know. Chairs. Are they? Yeah. You need the card for the light. So we have 2 of these then. It's the same brand as the one in Paris, but it's not the same. I think the Paris one was better. A little bit, just a bathroom area. Not bad. And the toilets over here. It's just for one night. Not even 24 hours. 10. Here's the second one. It's the same, just opposite, because it's the one right beside it. Let's see the view. I want to see the view.
I want this room.
Shh. I don't know how. A road. Not as good as the one in Paris. The Eiffel Tower.